Hi everyone, welcome to Cypress tutorial. Today, this tutorial we will learn how to globally set a base URL in Cypress. This helps you write plainer test scripts by removing repeated URL, making your test more readable and easier to maintain it. It also improves flexibility, allowing you to update the base URL in one place instead of multiple test files. As you can view in all examples, I have explained this URL in the test file, but this is not a good approach. We need to define this base URL in the configuration file. So we can use URL, copy this complete URL and open this cypress.config.js file and here enter the base URL. Base URL, this is our base URL. Save this test file and we can open the Cypress by this command npx cypress. Now Cypress is opening. We can maximize the window and after opening the Cypress, we need to select U2E test. Click on configured and then select the browser. Here multiple browsers are available. Click on start U2E test Chrome and then select this test file. For reading this URL from the base file, you need to enter /get site.visit. It means read the base URL from the configuration file. Now select this file login data driven. It will navigate to the URL. First, it will open this portal and then enter the username and password and then click on submit button. Same as well, we can enter the paths. This is a base URL. After the base URL, we can enter the path here. Here we can enter the paths. Let's again run this test and see what happened. First, navigate to the URL. It will navigate to the URL and then open this portal and log in into this portal. That is for tutorial or set the base URL in Cypress. Keep your test simple and efficient. I hope this video was helpful. If you like it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to SQO. See you in the next video.